So let's roll our hands around like this and go the other side. Roll your hand around like this, go the other side. Everyone make some mouse faces with big whiskers. And everyone breathe in and stretch your face out and go ee with your big whiskers. Good. And now we're going to make big bear claws. And we're going to do an O face like a bear and go oh. And you're going to stretch out your face, stretching out the muscles in your face. So ready? Now breathe in, big belly breath in. And go ee, like a little mouse, or go. The way I do that, I put my teeth together and I suck air backwards. Like this, teeth together, and then I go, oh, didn't work. Like that. Shake your face like it was in a mousey, and then make an O face and go, oh, just like that, like a bear. Okay, good. And then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna move both our wrists around. Awesome. Back and forth. Grab onto one foot and roll your foot around. And roll your foot around the other way. Good job. Let's stretch out our ankles. And let's go this way. And let's go that way. All right, now we're gonna do something that's a little bit difficult to do. Look behind you. Make sure that you have enough room just in case you roll back, because I don't want you to do that. That'll be cray. So ready, everybody? Lift up one foot like this. Ready? And lift up the other foot like that. Oh, how many of you are able to do this? Keep it going. Oh. I'm a little too close to the wall. Good thing I got a hard head. Okay, and nobody's at the door, Scruffy. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Grab onto one foot and grab onto the other foot and try to move your feet around. And let's try the hardest one. Ready? Try to go like this. Try to go like that. Move your ankles. What? Whoa! All right, you did such a wonderful job today. Everybody stand up. Good job. Let's fix our clothing. You were so wonderful today in Yogarate. We did a lot of breathing. We did a little karate, and we learned that it's fun to breathe. Ready? Everyone attention. Say yes, sir. Good job. In yoga, we say namaste. In karate, we say ayah. So in Yogarate, we say NamastAHYAH. So ready? Everyone, let's do it together. Big belly breath in. Everyone, NamastAHYAH! Awesome! You did so good.